In this video, we will take you with us on our first time flying Emirates First Class. Join us as we show you our experience during this 10-hour flight from Athens, Greece to Newark, New Jersey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to see more travel videos like this one. And here is my extravagant private suite for the next 10 hours. Not bad at all. As I got to my seat, the flight attendant quickly comes over to explain some of the features.
I'll show you as well, sir. Yeah, so it's going to a mini bar over here.
Okay.
All right, with all the selections of
I will go
drinks
over all the
there.
features of my seat later on in the video. Vive Cliquot is served before takeoff and Dom Perignon when in flight. Dates are served along with some delicious Arabic coffee before takeoff. Did you try the coffee? It's really good, yeah. It's super good. Sit. Yes, I'm filming. Hold on.
And in the cabin, in charge of your
Someone's fancy. Someone's fancy.
is our team of cabin crew.
Emirates First offers a dine-on-demand menu. You can order anything at any time, and the food choices do not disappoint. Here is the wine menu, highlighted by the Dom Perignon P2. Make sure to order the Caviar appetizer. It comes with several sides to enhance its flavor. Thank you.
You're welcome. So would you like me to pour the sauce for you?
Yes, please. Let's take a look at some of the dishes we ordered. Perfect, thank you. I really enjoyed this pan-fried beef fillet, medium. Seared sea bass. Grilled salmon. Seared prawns. The croissant bread and butter pudding was delicious. And a beautifully presented seasonal fruit plate. Not a big drinker, but I had to try this $1,000 bottle of Hennessy Paradis. As well as some Dom. It's a 2003?
It's a 2000.
Oh wow.
It's a special one because it's the P2.
Okay.
You will not find it anywhere else except for
Oh wow. Let's take a quick tour of the features of my private suite. The first thing that stands out is this large 32-inch TV at the front. Some Byredo beauty products by the Vanity Mirror. There's a snack basket by the TV. Here's a journal and pen for you to keep. Here's a live orchid, just because they're fancy like that. Have you ever had a lampshade in your plane seat before? Here is the power plug, as well as a USB outlet. I gotta admit that this built-in bar is the coolest feature of the suite. This is the biggest table I've seen in all my years of flying. This tablet controls all the features of the suite. It also doubles as an additional TV screen if you don't want to use the 32-inch TV up front. One of the best features of the suite is the sliding doors for privacy. This can be controlled from a tablet as well as additional controls by your seat. If you are a couple sitting in the middle seats, you can bring down the divider using these controls. If you don't want to use the tablet, there's a handheld remote to control various features of the seat as well. A pair of headphones from Bowers & Wilkins. There's so much storage space underneath the TV, I can actually fit under there. The men's Amenity Kit by Bulgari is highlighted by this Caviar cologne. Emirates wouldn't want your skin to feel dry while sleeping, so they give you these moisturizing pajamas. Just a little bit fancy, huh? I asked the flight attendant to set up my bed halfway through the flight. It's time for a quick power nap. Time for some tea and cookies after my short nap. There's a mini bar with drinks and snacks by the Lavatories. And here's a quick look at one of the lavatories. There are no showers on this flight. Those are only on the Airbus A380s, which we hope to fly in the future. There are some combs, lotion, toothbrush, and toothpaste provided. My mom, Beverly, and I had an amazing experience on this flight. We've never experienced such luxury on a flight before, and it will be hard to fly economy again. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please support our channel by liking this video and hitting the subscribe button. See you on our next adventure.